Welcome to ABC's online services. We're going to show you how to apply for catering authorization from your license administrator account. To apply for a catering authorization, you must have an active caterer's permit type 58, and you must add your license numbers with an active type 58 to your license administrator account. To apply for a catering authorization, log into your license administrator account and ensure your license numbers with an active type 58 have been added to your account. For more information about managing your licenses, see our video, Create a License Administrator Account. Select Manage, Applications, select your license number, and click New Application. Please note that if you leave the application before completing all information and payment, your information will not be saved. Confirm the license details before proceeding with the application. If the information is not correct, contact your local district office to update your information. Your event dates must be more than 5 days, but not more than 60 days from the date you apply. Select either a single or multi-day event. An event that ends by 2 a.m. is considered a single-day event. For this example, we will be submitting a multi-day event application. Select the start and end time of the event. Alcohol cannot be served between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. For a multi-day event, the start and end times must be the same for each day. If the times are not the same, you must submit each day as a separate event. Enter the estimated daily attendance. Again, for a multi-day event, the attendance must be the same for each day. If the attendance is not the same, you must submit each day as a separate event. The application fee is calculated based on the number of people expected to attend each day of the event. The contact person should be the person who can answer application and event questions on behalf of the licensee. The contact name and email are populated with the account information for the person entering the application. The name and email can be changed to another person, but they will not be able to manage the application online without an online services account. Enter the phone number for the contact person. Enter the name and address of the person or organization that has hired you to cater the event. If there is a person in charge of answering event questions on behalf of the sponsoring organization, enter their name and phone number. Complete the event type and select whether it is a public event. If your event type is not listed, you can select Other and type it in. Enter the location of the event, including a description of exactly where the event will be held. Enter the number of events you have catered at this location in the calendar year. If the number of events is more than 36, contact your local district office. You will not be able to apply online. Select whether the event is within city limits. Read the disclaimers and check the box to acknowledge you have read and agree. Review your application before proceeding. You will not be able to make edits once you submit. Click Pay Now to submit your payment. If you do not complete your payment, the information in your application will not be saved. Select your payment method and complete your payment information. A 2.99% non-refundable convenience fee will be added to all credit card payments. Click Pay Now. You can print your payment receipt and upload documents after your payment is submitted. The person who submitted the application and the contact person will receive an email when the application is submitted. Your application is not automatically approved when you submit and pay for it. Your event may also require property owner or law enforcement agency approval. ABC staff will work with you to determine which approvals are required when your application is reviewed. If ABC does not receive all required approvals, the application may be denied. To view your submitted application, go to Manage Applications and select your license number. Click View Submitted Applications. Select View from the Actions menu for your application. Your status will be pending until the application is approved, denied, or withdrawn. Applications will no longer be viewable after the date of the event. If you have documents to upload, or if ABC staff requests a document, select Upload Documents from the Actions menu for your application. Documents must be smaller than 1 megabyte. Please note which file types are accepted. You can only upload documents while your application status is pending. When the ABC review of your application is complete, the person who submitted the application and the contact person will receive an email that the application was approved or denied. If the application was approved, an approval document will be attached. You must print the approval document, as well as any signed conditions, and have them available at the event. Please contact your local district office with questions. For more videos, please visit our YouTube channel.